Come on, bud. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just one, just this one. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Now just this one. Yes, that's a good dog. You're doing so good. Now come on. Good boy. No, no, no. Don't go back up. Okay, come on. Come on. Yes. Good job. Now this one. Look. Look, we're almost here. We're almost here. Yes. Good job. You did it. Woohoo. Good job, bud. And he had one major motivator. Could you guess what it is? Here's a hint. You got Zoe. Yeah. We got one going in the heat. Anyways. Oh, looks like you got a sock out to play, didn't you? Xander Rowdy. Xander Rowdy. He's a good boy.